Without wasting our time, let's quickly look at this mathematics question. The second term of a geometric sequence is 1 over 2 and the fifth term is 27 divided by 16. What is the common ratio of the sequence? Now, this particular question is talking about geometric sequence. Now, what do we call a sequence? Sequence is a what? Is any rule that is guiding a sequence in which they follow a what? A regular pattern. That's what we call a sequence. For example, if you have T of n to be equal to AR square, AR raised to power 3, and it still continue. This is a sequence. Now you can see that they follow a regular pattern. AR divided by A, that will give us what? That will give us R. Now this one have the what? The same common ratio. That's what we call common ratio. You can divide AR squared divided by this AR. We have it as what? As R. All of these sequences have the same common ratio. That's why we know that it's a geometric sequence. Now, this is our first term. This is our second term. This is our third term. This is our fourth terms. And it still continue. Now, this particular question is talking about the second term of a geometric sequence is 1 over 2. The general formula to calculate n terms of a sequence is n terms of a geometric sequence is T of n equal to what? AR raised to power n minus 1. This is general formula for a what? For a geometric progression. Now, this n means n is our n terms, which is numbers of the sequence. A is our first term. R is our common ratio. Common ratio. Now, the second term of a geometric sequence is 1 over 2. The second term means T of 2 equal to what? AR. Because when we are talking about the second term, that means the numbers of terms is 2. That's T2 equal to AR. 2 minus 1, we have it as 1. That's why we have it as AR. And the second term is given as 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 equal to AR. This is our equation 1. Now, and the question continues, and the fifth term is 27 over 16. Now, T of 5, which is the fifth term, equal to AR raised to power what? Raised to power 4. From here, our numbers of terms here is fifth term, which is 5. T of 5 will now be equal to AR. 5 minus 1, we have it as 4. So that's why we have this. And T of 5 is given as 27 over 16. So 27 divided by 16 equal to AR raised to power 4. Let's call this one equation 2. Now, don't forget that we want to solve for the common ratio, which is our R. Now, we can divide equation 2 by equation 1. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. Then we have it as AR raised to power 4 divided by AR in equation 1 equal to 27 over 16 divided by 1 over 2. So we have it like this. Now, this A will reduce this A. This R raised to power 4, one of these will reduce this, it remains R raised to power 3. So we have it as R raised to power 3 equal to, now, 27 over 16. Division will change to multiplication. We need to interchange the fraction. So that will be times 2 over 1. Now, R raised to power 3 will now be equal to 2 here 1, 2 in 16, that's 8. So we have it as 27 over 8. Now, we have cube. We can introduce cube roots to both sides so that it can cancel the cube. So, cube root of both sides, cube root of both sides. So, this one will now become cube root of R cube equal to cube root of 27 over 8. Cube will cancel cube root. We are left with R equal to cube root of 27, that's 3. 3 raised to power 3 will give us 27. Divided by 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8. That will be 3 over 2. So the common ratio for this particular question is 3 over 2. Please don't forget to follow, share, and like so that others can benefit. Thanks.